Well, congratulations making it through my 20-minute video there. I didn't expect that to take so long. I'll try to keep this one shorter. So here's the link. So just like any other time, just go ahead and hit that. And And we're going to do this one for the interactive notebook assignment, and then the lab portion on Wednesday, we're going to be working with this, which you'll see the instructions on how to do that on Wednesday. So we're going to go right here. Okay, so when it says to draw the ions, this is what I was talking about. Okay, in terms of the pH paper, down here at the bottom, this is a pH meter. So pH is 7 because water, neutral. And here is the pH paper. So I would put that down in there and I would match it up. And then obviously it's going to match with number 7 because it's neutral. So color of the paper you could put as orange, which you already have because you copied my example down. pH of 7. Electrical conductivity, you come down here to the little light bulb, and here's battery light bulb, just like my demo. I put the electrodes in, and there is no or very little conductivity in there, and that's that. Okay, so pull that out. Strong acid. Okay, now if you want to count all these and draw them, you can, but just, draw, it's got a lot of ions. Okay, you can look at the weak acid. Okay, obviously not as many. Okay, so just draw a high concentration of ions here and a low concentration of ions here. But again, lots of ions, lots of conductivity, just like my demo. Weak acid, not a lot of ions, not as bright. Okay, so you're putting that on that table for the interactive notebook assignment. Down here, I'm going to switch back to the water just so it's a little easier to see. Remember, this is a balanced equation, right? So that's why there's 2 water molecules here. But in terms of this H3O, there's your oxygen, and here's our 3 hydrogens. So if you got rid of this one, that would be regular H2O. But we're adding 1, which adds 1 proton, which makes it positively charged. And here's our OH. You can think about it this way. It's missing one of these hydrogens, so it ends up being negatively charged. So this reaction you're going to see later, it was very difficult online to find stuff that is at a junior high level. So I'm doing the best I can with what I have. But this reaction goes back and forth. So it's this cycle, which actually keeps the pH at 7. This cycle of back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. But that's it. Okay, so go ahead and fill out the table that I explained in the past video. Okay, take care, everybody.